I have a Rheem on-demand hot water heater. Once a month, you should clean out the filter. I try and do it around the first of the month. And so the steps to doing it are unplug the unit, turn off the cold water supply, turn off the hot water. Just below the unit, right there with the black, is the filter. So all you have to do is unscrew it. If it's tight, you can use a channel lock just to loosen it. It should just be hand tightened. And so see, there's the filter. It's just a small mesh filter. Take it to a sink. You'll still have cold water. Run it under the sink. Get rid of any debris. And you find in that filter. So now simply replace the filter back in its spot. Hand tighten it. Open the cold water. Open the hot water. And plug the unit back in. That's it. Hope it helps. Bye.